Which are the top affiliate networks in India that young bloggers can use to make money? Let's take a look. Hey guys, my name is Mani Karthik. I'm a professional blogger from India. I work for small and big companies in the US and Middle East for almost a decade and returned to India lately to pursue my passion in blogging. Today I'm a full-time blogger and earn a 5-figure income every month just from blogging. On this channel and my blogs, I share everything that I've learned in the last 10 years to help young bloggers like you succeed. So subscribe to this channel if you're new here. To be able to gain the maximum benefits of affiliate marketing, you need to partner with the right affiliate network. Here are my 10 best picks of affiliate networks in the US and India that you can choose from. First off, the US affiliate networks. Number 1 is Rakatan Link Share. Claiming to be the largest paid for performance affiliate marketing network on the internet, Rakatan Link Share has been voted as the number 1 affiliate marketing network for 7 consecutive years by industry participants. Just like other affiliate networks, Rakatan Link Share pays out on a CPA basis, and the publisher gets a commission on each action taken by the user, which could be a sale, a subscription, or a lead. It lets you become a publisher and earn directly from their website. Their publisher registration form is available on the website, so do check it out. Number 2 is Amazon Affiliates. Amazon Affiliates or Associates is one name that needs no introduction. Their affiliate networking program is launched in 1996. The program helps website owners, bloggers, web developers, and Amazon sellers make money by advertising the millions of new and used products available on Amazon's website. You can join this program free of cost. The functionalities and linking tools available on Amazon Associates are simple enough for even beginners to get started with. The program allows you to earn up to 12% in referral fees each time a customer clicks on the link created by an associate or a blogger. The best thing about this program is that it allows you to earn from all qualifying purchases resulting from a click, and not just the products that you advertise on your blog. Number 3 is Clickbank. If you want to advertise digital products like ebooks, software, and membership sites in different categories, Clickbank is your best bet. Affiliate marketing network from Clickbank offers tons of products to promote. The affiliate network has a great reputation in terms of timely payments, very important, which earned this network the loyal fan following that it has. What's interesting is that to join, there's no need for you to even have a website or a track record. The network gives you the freedom to promote any merchant's products whichever way you want to on the internet. Number 4 is CJ or Commission Junction. CJ is one of the oldest affiliate network that offers affiliate programs for a wide range of popular and well-established brands. It is a popular choice for the world's most successful retailers. With over 3,000 merchants on board, this platform allows you to choose from millions of products, including health and beauty products, electronics, accessories, online services like web hosting, and much more. If you're a beginner and don't know which program to join, the company provides a useful tool to help you find a suitable program. What sets Commission Junction apart is the impressive reporting capabilities to allow performance optimization for advertisers and bloggers. Number 5 is ShareSale. Hosting around 4,000 merchants, ShareSale has been in business as an affiliate marketing network for around 18 years now. Their program is easy to use, which makes it a good choice for beginners. What's interesting is that ShareSale will ensure that payment comes to you on the 20th of every month, unlike other platforms where you have to wait for 50 or 60 days to receive payment. Good thing, right? Now, let's check out some affiliate networks from India for young Indian bloggers. Number 1 is Comely. Comely started operations in 2006, offering an affiliate network that allows you to earn the highest commissions while providing access to the best clients in India. The network boasts the highest commission in the industry by means of timely and transparent payments, and it's very popular with a lot of Indian tech bloggers. Number 2 is iBibo Ads. iBibo Ads is operated by iBibo Travel Group. Unlike most global ad networks that do not accept sites with major Indian traffic, iBibo Ads, being an Indian ad network, accepts Indian traffic websites big time. The platform offers a large number of CPA, CPS, and mobile offers for you to choose. Go check it out. Number 3 is WeCommission. WeCommission is a popular Indian affiliate network that has a lot of fans. It has over 17,000 networks under it. The reputation of this network can be well established by the fact that it has worked with amazing brands like eBay, Airtel, Flipkart, Domino's, Asian Paints, and the like. Number 4 is iCube's Wire. iCube affiliate program offers a network of more than 15,000 publishers belonging to various industries. They are known for working with industry giants like Flipkart, McDonald's, Myntra, etc. So that tells how popular they are. They have a lot of innovative solutions like mobile marketing, SMS marketing, app installation campaigns for iOS and Android, and more. Number 5 is DGM India. One of the fastest growing affiliate networks in India, DGM is a reputed digital media platform that offers up to a good number of affiliate offers from top advertisers. It has been in the industry for more than 12 years now. The company has incorporated the latest ad serving technologies and advanced web analytics to optimize advertisements to bring superb quality and results to your ads. Here's a bonus for you. There's a new company on the block. It's called Admit Ad. This is an affiliate network that I recently came across, which gives access to a lot of quality products for bloggers. Their payout is good and quality programs, sometimes even better than some of the leading networks that I've seen in India. Do check them out. It's called Admit Ad. So to summarize, being a blogger, make sure you choose your network that fit your audience and pays you well. Sign up for these networks and test out what works for you. Sometimes what works for me may not work for you, and you can only figure that out by trying it for a while. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, please like and let me know in comments which affiliate networks you use at the moment. This is Mani Karthik signing off.